Hey, welcome back to the channel. So let's go have a quick look around. Right now you can see it's white. I'm going snowblind by all the lighting in it. Before it was the green colour. A little bit to go. Ripped up all the carpet through here. Going to keep the carpet on the stairs. Previously this was tiled, working out what to do with these tiles. Looking at maybe laying in some laminate floor. So let's go upstairs. Now one of the biggest things with properties is the maintenance. Now I've had tenants that were in here for 6+ years and they've just moved out, so now I need to come in. I could have got away with maybe washing the walls down, but I've gone for a whole new repaint, and that's possibly because I'm thinking about, again, putting it on Airbnb versus long-term rental, but we'll see how we go. So now to the last room for this one code anyways. If you're ever doing painting, I recommend one of these sticks. It speeds the whole process up. The best way to do it, don't start right in the corner there, start towards the middle. Gives you a lot of space to spread out what is the brush stroke. So, you can see I've been in here earlier and I've cut around all the edges. Really makes this a faster process. Now for me the interesting thing is when I watch all these videos on Airbnb and how much money people are making is how many people don't factor in maintenance. If you've got a property, whether it's long-term or Airbnb, you've got to leave money aside for maintenance, otherwise you're going to get to the end and you're going to need to fix stuff up and you won't have the cash. I've done this myself. If I was to go out and have this professionally painted, cost would have been around $5,000.